Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Give your house garage creak.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh, don't fall. Garage, don't crash. Oh my god. They're moving the tree. It's not there anymore. Look, it's standing up now. Look, can I zoom in? No, I can't. I'm a bit on the side. Oh, trees. The garage is intact. Yes. Oh my god. You got chainsaw. Spider!
Don't worry about the spider.
I can't see. They've got it. The tree's hanging.
Suspended. There it goes.
Oh my god. What a magical tree. Wow. Never seen a floating tree before because it's just magical. It's gonna go above their house.
Yep.
I would die. Look at the dog. Yay. Ooh, the fence is dirty.
There it goes.
Wee tree. I see a tree. Tree. Tree, tree, tree. Oh. So, where is it? It's up too high. I can't film it anymore. The sun is in my eyes. Where is it? Oh, there. Oh no. Yay, tree. There's my daddy. Filming. Hello.
Can you film that?
Yeah.
That's what we need.
Yay. My face. Oh my god, it's above their house now. Wait, is it? Yeah, sort of.
Flying like a helium balloon.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Don't drop it on me, please. Look how tall it is though. It's up. Oh, there, that's where the tree ends. Yeah. Yay, I'm touching the tree. Where are they going to put the tree afterwards?
On the road.
Why?
They're going to chip it.
What is that noise?
Chippers getting ready at the front.
Why are they over there?
Oh, it's a garbage truck.
Oh. Garbage trucks. Sneaky garbage trucks sound like a tipper. Chipper, I mean. The tree will slowly disappear now. Ugh. Look. Look at that crane. What an interesting crane. Wait, where's the stump? Oh look, you can see it. It's right there. Yes.
Just stop videoing?
No, I haven't.
Stop videoing.
The blur.